In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn header on Visme. A strong header instantly sets the tone for your profile, and Visme makes it quick and precise. We'll keep things simple and focus on getting a clean, on-brand result. First, open Visme and click Create New Project. Choose Custom Size, then set the dimensions to LinkedIn header, which is 1584 by 396 pixels. This exact size ensures your design fits perfectly without stretching or awkward cropping on your profile. LinkedIn may display your header slightly differently on desktop and mobile, so this canvas keeps proportions consistent. Next, decide whether to start from a template or a blank canvas. Templates are great if you want a head start on layout and style. Just replace the placeholders with your own content. If you prefer full creative control, choose a blank canvas and build from scratch. Now begin designing by adding images, graphics, icons, and text. Select high-quality imagery that represents your industry or personal brand, and avoid overcrowding the narrow banner space. Keep important elements away from the edges so nothing gets cut off on different screen sizes. If you have a logo or a headshot, position it with breathing room and use short, clear text. Think a role title, tagline, or a key value statement. Simple shapes and lines can help separate sections and guide the eye. Customize your colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Stick to 2 or 3 core colors for a cohesive look, and make sure there's strong contrast between text and background for readability. Choose fonts that mirror your brand personality, perhaps a clean sans serif for modern professionalism, and use size and weight to create hierarchy. Align elements consistently and keep spacing even to make the banner feel polished and intentional. When you're happy with the composition, hit Preview to see the design without any distractions. Look over the edges, check that text is legible at smaller sizes, and make quick tweaks if anything feels cramped or off balance. Then click Download and choose either PNG or JPG. PNG is ideal for sharp text, logos, and graphics. JPG works well if you want a slightly smaller file size. Both formats will look professional when uploaded. That's it. You've created a professional LinkedIn header in Visme. With the right dimensions, clear messaging, and on-brand styling, your profile will look cohesive and credible the moment someone visits it. You now have a polished banner ready to represent you wherever your work takes you.